are on fire.
Buckle up, boys. Don't look dull.
This might get hairy.
Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. The bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. So thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
A little whisper. I believe that's checkmate.
Commence emergency landing procedure. Flaps up. Deploy.